Welcome to our tranquil sanctuary. Settle into a comfortable position, gently closing your eyes. Start with deep, conscious breaths. Inhale calmness. Exhale distractions. With each breath, feel a deeper grounding in your being, preparing you for the journey into your mind palace. Imagine your breath as a gentle breeze clearing the mind and creating space for new learnings and memories. Visualize the grand entrance to your mind palace. It stands majestic and inviting, a testament to the power of your mind. With each step towards it, feel your mind sharpening, your focus intensifying. Notice the intricate details of the doors, the materials they are made from, symbolizing the strength and resilience of your memory. As you reach out and push the doors open, feel a rush of clarity and purpose. Imagine entering the room of focus in your mind palace. This room is uniquely yours, adorned with colors and textures that resonate with your inner self. It's a serene place where each element is designed to enhance concentration. The walls might be lined with bookshelves, each book representing a memory or a piece of knowledge. In the center, a fountain of clarity bubbles, its water symbolizing the flow of thoughts and ideas. This is a sacred space where your mind can engage deeply with the process of memorization and learning. In this tranquil room, find a pedestal where you can place an object representing a skill or memory. This object is not just a symbol, it's a key to unlocking deeper cognitive abilities. As you focus on it, let it transform, revealing intricate details, stories, and insights. This is where abstract concepts become tangible, where forgotten memories resurface with clarity. Feel a profound connection as this object becomes a part of your mental toolkit, strengthening your ability to recall complex information with ease. Now, let the energy of this object radiate, permeating your mind. Visualize its essence intertwining with your thoughts, strengthening the neural pathways. This process is not just about remembering, it's about understanding and integrating knowledge. Feel the empowerment as complex ideas and memories become simpler, more accessible. Your mind palace is not just a storage space, it's a dynamic, evolving library where every piece of knowledge is alive, interconnected, and readily available to you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Feel the enhanced clarity and focus as you breathe deeply, bringing the strength of your mind palace into your everyday life. As you gently open your eyes, embrace the feeling of mental rejuvenation, ready to apply this newfound mental sharpness to your daily tasks. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Your dedication to building and enhancing your mind palace is a powerful step towards a sharper, more focused mind.